Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website using Canva. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, click on Create a Design. And in the search bar, type Website and select the Website option from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of pre-made website templates. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits the style and purpose of your website. Click on the template you like. Most of them have multiple pages. You can select only one of them or add everything by clicking on Apply All X Pages. Double-click on any text box to edit the text. And click out of it to save it. Select the text box so you can change the font, size, color, add effects, change the animation, and make other adjustments using the toolbar at the top. Click on Uploads in the left sidebar to upload your own images, or go to Elements to search for images available in the Canva library. Click on an element to add it to the canvas. Click and drag the rounded handles around the element to resize it. Move it around by clicking and dragging it. To create a link, right-click on any text or element and select Link. You can paste an external link or link another page within this project. Canva allows you to add a fixed navigation bar at the top that contains links to your pages. First, click on the grid icon at the bottom right to see all pages. For pages you want to appear on the navigation bar, you have to name them. Click on the page number to add a name for each page according to how you want them to appear in the navigation bar. Once you've named your pages, click on the Preview button at the top right to see how your website looks. In the Preview window, click the checkbox for Include Navigation menu. Click Close and click the grid view again to make any final adjustments. Once you're happy with your design, click on Publish Website. In the drop-down, you can choose to include the navigation menu or not. Canva will provide you with a URL for your site if you don't have a custom domain. If you have a custom domain or want to get one, click on the Edit button. Click on Get a New Domain and follow the prompts to bring your own domain or buy a new one. You can add a description for your website by going to Publish Settings. In the Advanced Settings, you can password protect your website, enable or disable search engine visibility, and enable or disable link preview. After changing your settings, click on Publish Website. Your website is now live. Creating a website on Canva is a straightforward process thanks to its intuitive interface and variety of design options. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.